Hey guys, in this 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to create a modern hero section in Wix Studio. Clean, responsive, and perfect for any website design. Start by opening Wix Studio and creating a new section at the top of your page. This will be your hero area. Set the height to 100 VH to make it full screen. Next, add a background image or video that fits your brand. Think bold visuals, gradients, or motion backgrounds. Add a heading, a short paragraph, and a call to action button like get started or learn more. Adjust spacing and alignment using the flex layout tools to keep everything centered and balanced. Finally, tweak your fonts, colors, and animations. A subtle fade in or slide effect gives it that professional modern feel. And that's how you build a modern hero section in Wix Studio. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Wix tutorials every week.